The sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past take hums a song so sweet. I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. Do they live in the cracks of time, or dance in the chords of an old rhyme? I reach, but they slip right through, familiar as rain, fleeting as dew. I found a letter under the floor, ink faded whispers of what we swore. Your words still hum like an old song, short and sweet, but never wrong. Whispers of yesterday dusty corners, a memory's pledge. Your laughter hides in the creases there. Fragile moments floating in the air, but they're not gone at all. They linger softly when shadows fall. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can rewind. And if I could, I'd reach through the years, catch your smile, wipe away your tears. But time's a thief with a velvet glove. It steals the pain, but leaves the ooh, ooh. The sun beats down on this golden sand, a burning love I can't withstand. Your eyes, they glow like an ember fire. They pull me in, they take me higher. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot tame. And it burns, oh it burns, this desert flame, it twists and turns. The wind, it whispers your name at night, a melody under the pale moonlight. Your touch, it lingers, a desert breeze, a fleeting wish, it brings me to my knees. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot take. And it burns, oh it burns, this desert flame, it twists and turns. Oasis far, yet so near, a mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. Ooh, 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 ooh. I face the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot take. And it burns, oh it burns, this desert flame, it twists and turns. Ooh, 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 ooh. Always is far, yet so near. A mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. Always is far, yet so near. A mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot take, and it burns, oh it burns. This desert flame, it twists and turns, through endless dunes where shadows grow. Always is far, yet so near. A mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the whisper in the quiet sky, soft as the breeze that passes by. The world turns slow, no need to race. Hope lingers here in every space, and the light begins to grow. Rising light, rising high, touch the clouds, kiss the sky. Step by step, we'll find our way. Fresh horizons every day. The night fades into softest gold, a story new yet to be told. Each shadow lives, each worry fades, a hopeful calm, the dawn persuades, and the light begins to grow. Feel it warm, feel it show. Rising light, rising high, touch Between the stars we float, tension falls like dust. Mind expands, release. We are the quiet, we are the trust. Breathe the vastness in, let the smallness go. Breathe the vastness in, what we carry, we don't need to hold. Borders dissolve here, all our weight, all our war, in the infinite embrace. We remember what we're for. Breathe the vastness in, let the smallness go. Breathe the vastness in, what we carry, we don't need to hold. We are wider than our world. We are deeper than our name. Perspective shifts the pain. We return, we return. Breathe the vastness in. We are healing, let the smallness go. In the silence, breathe the vastness in. All together we carry, we don't need to hold. The sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past, it hums a song so sweet. I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, whispers in the moonlight, secrets softly sung, melodies that linger, hearts forever young, lost in quiet echoes. Dreams are all we chase. Late night whispers dancing in the dark, softly drifting, we ignite that spark. Underneath the starlight, we find our place. Shadows slowly fading as the night unfolds, painting constellations before they all get old. In this gentle silence, our love finds its space. Chasing endless echoes, soft as velvet night. Underneath the moon glow, everything feels right. In these late night whispers, all our fears erase. Clouds so heavy, they barely float. A whisper falls, a silent note, breathing in the quiet splendor. Drift and fall, drift and rise. Close your eyes, waiting Waves of nothing brush the shore. Endless space and nothing more. A dream that lingers soft and slow. Time dissolves, no need to chase. Fading lines, a boundless space. Drift and drift, no time, no drift and fall, drift and rise. Close your weary, waiting eyes. No end, no start, just endless soft wind carries a feather's flight where the sky meets the quiet light. The song of bird drifts through the air. No rush, no wave, just floating there. Whisper wings on the breeze tonight, soft and still, like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight. The trees hum low, a gentle sound. Roots so deep they kiss the ground. Clouds move slow, they stretch and sway. The horizon blurs, it blurs tonight. No ticking clocks, no time to chase. Just just endless sky and open space. The pad hums low, velvet tone. You're never lost, you're never alone. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight, soft and still, like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered winds on the breeze tonight. Clouds so heavy they barely float. A whisper falls, a silent note, breathing in the quiet's glow, drift and fall.